safe zone. Enemy soldier incoming. Your primary enemy in the area. You're in the gulag now. Fight to earn redeployment. You can always have a go at the bastards while you're waiting. Give them some choice words and smash their mugs with a well-placed stone. We got a proper fight here. Get ready to fight. Listen up, soldier. Win here and you return to the front line. But if you lose, you're done. Your teammates done in. They're returning to base. Time to earn your freedom, soldier. Turn back to the front line. Burn it. Be advised, your teammate got their ass kicked. They're RTB at this time. It's all up to you now. Go for the win.
Done. Yo. Ya udah ya dah. Di.
Mic check.
Check 1 2 1 2.
3, 4, 5.
Tiga ya. Tiga ya.
Kaya sabi ko sa'yo, hinahanap ko.
Ikaw din gumamit halos. Ikaw din naman gumamit halos. Ikaw din naman gumamit halos.
Get yourself a proper warm-up. We'll be deployed soon.
Repositioning.
Playtime's over, mate. You're going to the war zone.
Wala isa. Nawala si Hijacker.
Ay, nawala.
Battle Royale.
Balik daw siya. Tawag yata. Shout out, Lodi, tara. Tara, Lods.
Kaya.
Shout out, Dexter JC. Elias Santino. Di ba masyadong malakas yung... Ay. Masyadong malakas yung ano. Mic Lods. Yo, 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 yo.
Wait lang ba may invite ka? Join lang ka ba? Invite kita.
Sige, Lods, sige, Lods.
Tara ba Priya?
Mic check.
Table lang. Eh, ikaw pala nag-join.
Wait lang man. May isa pa.
Rebecca Jute. Thank you.
Bukas na yan. Bukas na yan. Play na.
Thank you, Reb.
Ha?
Pa-online na daw
Thank
ba
you. Thank you.
Itong isa nating tropa.
Sa kwarto.
Pakimonin siya.
Tagal naman.
Ay, nahihintay ka, Lods.
Si ano men, si El Guapo men.
Ah, gwapo. Nandyan si, ano, kung...
Kaya,
Gwapo daw, Lods.
ano natin.
Pag may spot, Lods, invite ka namin.
Go ahead.
Hello, hello.
Yung Diretso boy.
Oh,
Jubay, jubay.
Ano?
Yung tara boy. Super. Sila lang may
Hold it for deployment. Now's a good time to warm up.
Right, right.
Enemy soldier incoming. Warm up done. Time to kick this off. Get moving.
Saan tayo dating gawin?
Walang loads.
Repositioning. Eliminate all targets in the AO.
Nagland dito. Bagong land dito sa...
Purple.
blue yata. Ito yung orange building. Takong sensor eh.
Tago, loko.
Napatay mo na.
Palit kasi ng baril eh. Yan na.
Gotcha.
Closing in.
May mic ako? Wala.
Pera, men.
Clear ba tayo?
Load out.
Nag-landing sa taas.
Kaya na.
Snipers.
Kulang pa pala.
May mga bakit dito.
Sa bato. Meron sa likod, meron sa likod, meron sa likod.
Ang galing.
Sabay na dito.
You know?
Oh shit, nandito lang ang busa.
Tago lang pala dito eh. May isa pa ako na down doon, men. Yung naka-helicopter.
Andiyan, may sasakyan papunta dito.
Nasa ko na siya.
Down, down. Nag-i-snipe pa,
Wayne.
nag-i-snipe. Galing naman.
Yan ang bala, men.
Second floor doon sa live ping. Sa ano, live ping.
Gabi.
Pa-cover na lang.
Sniper yan,
Gabi,
sniper.
gabi.
Loading.
Kita ko.
Loading.
May loadout yun, may loadout pa. Green pink may loadout.
Pasok na tayo, Paps.
Ooh! Lakas naman ng baril na. Nasa red ping, red ping. Papunta na. Yan.
Yo, wala akong pan, men. Tara,
Mas,
wala pang gamit dito.
lakas din yun.
Nabala, yo.
So, may sniper dito.
Oh, team wipe na. Nice, boys.
Meron pa, meron pa.
May mga rin pa sa akin isa. Ito.
Uy, sa likod. Oh, shit. Puta, ay nasa middle, men.
Basag, basag, Lods, basag.
Eh, no? Tang-ina na ito.
Your teammates in the gulag. If they survive, they can redeploy.
Tanggaling yan.
Nice, nice.
Tango front.
Light pink.
Basag, basag, basag.
Ito. Diyan. Sa likod niya.
Down, down, down.
Nice hacks.
UAV on the head.
Circle.
Loadout drop headed your way.
Easy dun ah.
Hindi ako makahabol.
Gas is
May pera naman tayo, may pera.
safe zone.
Lag.
Gumaan.
Ang
Tayo, boys.
ibang team yata yung mga napatay niyo ah.
Tayo ng...
Venter, if you're buying.
Loadout oh.
O shield.
Alawang
Bala?
loadout.
Bala.
Sige, pwede.
Bala o shield?
Bala at shield.
Bili. Bala shield, sige.
Be advised. Enemy
shit.
team is
Lang.
tracking your location.
Ako din. Ako bahala. Odds. Ako dito.
Pera pa oh. Shield nyo na.
Man your mark.
Babaya pa, pambili UAV.
Nag-drop akong pera doon.
Ito.
Where's the cash, bro?
Friendly UAV overhead.
Malinis, you know. Yo.
Stand some armor.
Kaya ano kahit 800. Pero Kevin, 800 lang.
That's on the ground. Friendly UAV overhead. Marking target location. Stand by for coordinates.
Barrel galing ano man.
Fire station yata.
Safe, you lost the enemy trackers.
Diyan lang sila sa muyo rin.
Paparin sila dito. Ito.
Saan ba?
Tango front.
Ayun.
Edge.
Yung ayan.
Edge.
Lalakad.
Single shooter. Request recon flyover. UAV entering the AO.
Kunin natin yung building ngayon, no?
Tara. Daanan dito sa likod eh.
Pretty blender.
Be advised,
Tanga.
UAV is being
Ayan na sila.
refueled. RTB for resupply.
Kabilang building. Dito na building, oh. Oh, building na yan. Diyan sila.
Stand by for coordinates.
Kunin natin itong mataas.
Balik ko ng ping. Nandiyan sila sa window.
Makakyatan to.
Sa likod yun eh. Ang satan yun eh. Yung ano, line.
Nice. You know?
Enemy UAV overhead. Mark is fire location.
Sila magpa-parachute. Ana! Ana!
Asan sila?
Dito pa rin.
Repositioning.
Yes.
Jumping jack ang puta.
Pababayan. Unahan na natin sa ano dito.
What? Naglag?
Diyan na.
Wala na.
Nalanglag.
Stand by for coordinates. Get to the safe zone. Enemy UAV overhead.
Train na, ingat train.
Owl kid. Tago. Tago.
Tama ngayon eh. Hahabol pa eh.
Kaya natin, Dino.
Pangtong gas station. Ah, looted, looted.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Pero ito tong loot. Ano ba? Ito na, train station. Pera!
Stand by for coordinates. Gas is closing. Get to the new safe zone. Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the
Dropping.
skies.
Pag nang nag-loot ah. Tingin ko na to.
Does anyone need this?
Malit naman na yung circle. Yun.
Parang may third footstep ako narinig.
Hindi pa looted yun.
UAV overhead.
O, kompleto na. Pwede na natin bilhin sa ano.
Inbound.
Drop mo na lang pera dyan, lads. Nandun na ba?
No, sa taas oh. Meron nga.
Uy! Dali pa ako.
Shotgun rounds marked.
This is the Gulag.
Dalawa, mayroon din sa baba.
Redeploy. Win here and you return to the front line. You lose, your fight is over.
Sata. Ayun na.
Time to earn your freedom, soldier.
Oh!
Earned it.
Hey! Nasa taas, nasa taas.
Uy! Ayun, lalabas na din yan.
Kunin ko yung baril ko. Ayun. Pang loadout to.
Mark out. I'm going.
Lads, pera.
Nice.
Bumaba, bumaba. Ang enang.
25 are left. Stay sharp out.
Higit yun.
Thanks, boy.
Meron pa.
Tangina mo.
Less than 25. Enemy took that one. We'll be back.
Ang mga gas mask.
Get yourself sorted. We'll be deployed shortly. Warm up done. Time to kick this off. Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Battle Royale. Avoid the gas. Get to the safe zone.
Tayo mga lads.
Is anyone near this?
May isa. Ay, may dalawa.
Eliminate all targets in the AO.
Nakakuha kagad ng baril ah.
This is the Gulag. Survive, redeploy.
Nice. You,
Pay attention, you'll be out there soon.
check natin yan mga yan.
You can always have a go at it.
Can I finish this guy?
Give them some choice words or smash their mugs with a well-placed stone.
Ay.
Here we go.
Ay.
Self-sorted, you're up next. Win here and you return to the front line. You lose, your fight is over. Time to earn your freedom, soldier. Stand by for redeployment. SMG.
Okay.
Gas is inbound.
Armor here.
We're under cash here.
I will take it.
Yapan pala dito.
Loadout drop
Oh, may
inbound.
naglo-load
Huwag
out.
kang sumabit.
May naglo-load out.
We're instructed.
Ayaw pala yan.
Enemy UAV overhead. Enemy UAV overhead. Enemy UAV overhead.
Sakyan na natin to.
Moving.
Sana pwedeng i-drive to.
Found some armor. Enemy kilo.
Oh,
Enemy UAV overhead. Enemy UAV overhead. Enemy UAV overhead. Contact! Enemy UAV overhead. Enemy UAV overhead.
Wah.
ibon ba yun? Parang may pumunta dito eh. Hindi ko alam kung ibon eh.
Disregard blast.
Tingko lang yan, men.
Lang siguro.
UAV overhead.
Yun oh, may bumili dun oh.
Enemy movement.
Best station sa kabilang side.
Tirahin na yan.
Wala dyan, 3 kills. Ito. Ha?
Tangina yan. Na-shotgun pa ako.
Teammate has entered the gulag.
Wait moment. Healing. Headshot lahat.
Ang lakas naman nun.
Ubus tayo. Kasi pumatay tayo niyo.
Yung... Ano ba yun? Naka-carve yata yun.
Yung tira niya men, sa gitna lang. Kung headshot lahat ng ano niya. Ayun.
Carve ba yung gamit niya? O shotgun? Yung carve yata.
Carve yung ano, yung...
Yung burst.
Sorry lang, gitna, ano lang eh. Pangit, pero headshot ang puta.
Pero sa pula ka eh. Sa pula ka agad eh.
Scavenger contract located.
Sa kanila siguro yung isa.
ID'd a most wanted contract. Cancel that.
Sila yan eh. Ang lupit ano? Tumatalon to eh. Sapul na sapul ka dun ah.
Right. Lo yan. Lang.
Oh.
Return to base and debrief. Check your gear and weapons. Planes are making ready for deployment. Playtime's over, mate. You're going to the war zone.
Ay, check.
Battle Royale.
Check. Ay.
Got gas closing in fast. Get to the safe zone.
Bounty contract identified. Scavenger contract located.
Yep. Up. Oh. Kaya yatang kukuha sa ano ah. Kunin ko na to. Scabs. Scavier.
To engage all targets. Supply box marked. Secure the package.
Kami dyan sa ano, kabila. Yun o.
Marking target location.
Kung sa akin, putang ina.
Ah, mayroon kay orange.
Tang ina yung dalawa.
Strike inbound. Teammate has entered the gulag. Surviving earns deployment. Next objective located.
Second floor na, second floor. Floor siya.
Enemies in the area!
Nakali naman.
Next objective located.
Buhay dito, buhay dito.
Marking
Ikot
target
sila.
location. Teammate has been cleared for redeployment.
Taas, bubong man, bubong.
Stand by for
Team wipe, baby.
Sa bubong, nasa bubong.
Ah,
Ay, ibon pala yun. Ibon na naman. Puchang
dak mo
ina.
dito.
Kakalito naman yung ibon na yan. Mayo ka, ibon.
primary objective accomplished. All supply boxes found.
Mayo ka, ibon.
Tayo.
Sayang.
Blunder
At
Bounty contract identified.
Setting Claymore!
Bounty target identified. Slot the bastard. Got a loadout drop inbound. Mark the helo.
Blunder cash here.
Friendly UAV overhead. Moving. Copy. On my way.
All pilot.
Mission arrived.
oh, may tao dun sa ano. Nasa gulag pa lang yata eh.
Stand by for coordinates. Doesn't matter. Never mind. Mark the target location.
Ba... Gustong bumawi yan eh. Galing gulag yata yun eh.
Kilo mark.
Ito ba naman? Gago. Come on, no shield to.
Target down. Enemies in the area. Moving.
Your teammate has entered the gulag.
Sa... Nasa blue pin, nasa
Saan ba
blue
sila?
pin. Blue pin, building. Second floor.
Daan puta.
Down. Nasa building.
Grenade out. Setting charge.
Pakamatay na.
Your teammate is redeploying. Stand by.
Ah, wala.
Time's up. Objective failed.
Sabi na mayroong footsteps dun eh.
Naka-ghost kagad yun ano. Hindi detected sa ano.
Bounty target identified. Slot the bastard.
Yung kakapan lang oh. Bumili. May biniling tropa.
Moving. Relocating.
Stand by for coordinates. Look to that vehicle. Single shooter.
Loadout drop inbound.
Uy! Nasa baba na pala. Putang.
May sniper sa ano, sa police station.
Oh shit.
Gas is
Right,
moving
right.
in. Use
Nagkakam-
location.
Ito na... Tayo dun sa ano.
Tagas.
I've got you.
May sakyan. Yun lang.
Listang truck.
Camper bitch.
Wala na akong...
Base cam tayo dun ha. Decoy lang pala yung... Well,
Survive and you
Yes,
Ayun,
ng
ayun.
truck eh.
Nakapakipin.
the fight. Sorted. You're up next.
Kevin, may pera ka pa, Kevin.
yun lang.
When you return to the front line, you lose, your fight is over. Time to earn your freedom, soldier. You kick their ass. Stand by for redeployment.
Oh. Ano nalat na bulag?
Ah, nandun pa sila oh.
Light vehicle here.
Palis na. Ah, binabantayan yung loadout ang pucha. King na lang.
your shoulders. Finish the mission. Gas is moving.
I'll drive.
Makipin ng King na lang, Lods. Mas wanted.
Hindi mo na ako may pag-tap.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Light vehicle here. Does anyone need this?
Sa baba pala.
You are now marked as most wanted. Eyes on the score.
Yun lang.
So, GG na boy.
Yun na daw si, ano? Pangcaps.
Until sa
Kasi no. Invite mo lang. Lo.
Low. Ay, ako ba? Ako pala eh. Wala na ba?
Wala.
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 Last game muna ako, Lods. Mag-atid ako. Balik ako pag ano. Pag online pa kaya.
Check your gear and weapons. Planes are making ready for deployment. Enemy soldier incoming.
Does anyone need this? Guard stop!
position. Move to
Pili
the
lang,
safe zone.
mga lods. Kill base. Ah. Dami ah.
Ano, ang dami, boy. Tira tayo.
Ito na lang. Saan ka? Saan ka? Ang ina.
Contact!
Ah, meron. Nice, nice. Let's go.
Enemy UAV.
Dami pa rin, oh. Hilo. Woo! Dami. Putang ina.
Ah, wala naman. Ah.
Taking fire!
Papunta na dito. Ay, sa likod.
Nice.
Nice. Ah, dalawang beses na ako namatay. Ako yung baril na yan. Ano ba silang plato? Boom.
Watch your six. Hostiles have already picked this place clean.
Sa loob yata ng bahay eh.
Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Babalik, oh.
Ang bumawi eh. Uy.
Boss.
Nice. Meron pa sa ano. Sa
UAV overhead.
sa northwest.
If you're buying,
Meron kanina dito eh.
Moving!
stand by for coordinates.
Yan, ay, tumakas.
No, nasakyan.
Never mind. Vent that if you're buying.
Uy.
Target that enemy movement!
Sa bahay.
Tang ina niya na. Nakaka-camouflage sa pader, oh. Tang ina outfit yan. Walang puta.
Naman lang. Load out na.
Vent that if you're buying.
Saluted dito ah. Pusing ka lang tong
May bumababali sa akin. Sa likod, men. Saan yung buy station?
Station naman, may station naman.
Walang pan.
May airstrike ako eh.
Cash money. The boys on.
Drop headed your way.
Ang gusto mong bilhin ko?
Bala. Meron ba kayong bala? O kayo kung ano,
Balabak lang ko, may balabak.
plates o ano.
Tag an item.
Ito, armor plates.
Got the ammo here.
Rock and roll, alright. Hindi.
Stand by for coordinates.
Bumalik ba sila?
Sa likod natin, no? May nagtimal. Uy, saan niya lang yun? Open natin eh.
Sa southeast yata eh. Hindi ba?
Nakita ko na yung ulo.
Saan sa green? Ayun oh.
Affirmative.
Enemy movement.
Oh, lakas meron sa kanan, sa kanan. East. Patay mo na, patay. Nasa baba lang siya sa may ano dyan.
Enemy movement.
Pasok sa bahay. May tumakbo na palayo.
Yung kanina eh, napansin ko kanina yun eh. Kala ko. Thank you. Andun ba sila? Andun.
Saan tumakbo sila?
Target marked. Send it.
Diyan, nagpupush sila. Kita ko.
Kaping.
Dito na ako sa baba, hindi. I-heal ko lang siya na, i-heal ko. Nasaan ba?
Sige lang, sige lang.
Shit. Nabutan.
Your teammates in the gulag. If they survive, they can
Kulag pa naman eh. Pakaasan sila.
Sa green pink.
Ang bilis naman nila. Ito na sa loob, sa balahan. Sa balahan na sila.
Tak ng puta.
redeploy. While you wait, feel free to give these wankers a proper cheering. Right, feel free to give them that as well.
Napindot ko pa yung Q.
Pay attention, you'll be out there soon. Get ready to fight, you're next. Be advised, your teammate got their arse kicked. They're RTB at this time. You win this fight and you return to the front line. But if you lose, you're done here. Sort them out or capture the objective. Looking a little worse for wear. You're heading back to base. Not over yet. Your team can still buy your release.
The fuck?
We'll be back.
Babe.
Yun na, GG. Mamaya, mamaya.
Atid muna ako, Lods.
Ah, sige, sige.
Sige, Lods. Sige, Lods. Thank you, thank you.